Okay, so in this video, we will see how to download Grafana. And I am going to the official site of Grafana and downloading it from there. So I want to download for Windows, download the install. Click on finish. Let's see, localhost colon 1000. Yay! Okay, the default username and password is admin. So new password, you can create a new password. Um, okay. Now it is installed. You can add your data sources. You can see dashboards whenever you create one. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff you can do over here. We'll see those in the upcoming lectures. Thank you.